Hello, very good morning all the students. Today's video is dedicated to all the students as today we all are celebrating Teachers Day, which is one of the most important and we can say the precious day all students must celebrate. Teachers Day is a special day dedicated to the teachers for the contribution of society and nation. Since 1962, we are celebrating Teachers Day on 5th of September, not only just to celebrate our teachers' efforts but also to celebrate the birth of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. I have few lines for the teachers that the way you care, the knowledge you share, the love you shower has immense power. Teachers, you work very hard with optimism. Teachers, you are great. And teachers are always great. Basically, whatever we are today, that is just because of the teachers. As a student, what I personally feel is that whatever I am today, just because of my teachers. Not even a single year I miss to wish this Teachers Day to my all the teachers since from the school life. Because behind every successful person, a teacher's contribution is having a significant role and it is notable also. Teachers are every student's backbone who helps every student to become a better human being to make society a better place to breathe. A teacher is always called the captain of the ship. It is because of them we can reach our destination and fulfill the dreams. Students, do you know, other than this 5th of September, there is one more Teachers Day celebration is there, which is on 5th of October, and that celebration is known as the International Teachers Day. It is established in 1994 because of this day, UNESCO and ILO recommendation concerning the status of teachers. That is the main aim of celebrating this International Teachers Day is to focus on appreciating, assessing and improving the educations of the world and to provide an opportunity to teachers, issues related to teachers and teaching. That's why this International Day, Teachers Day also celebrated. Anyway, that was all about the introduction of the Teachers Day, and we all know what is Teachers Day and how do we celebrate, and as on the very regular days, we always celebrate this. And what are the ways to celebrate that you all know. So here I am not going to discuss about all that things. But now, as this year is a very crucial period, due to the COVID-19, we are stuck up at home. We are not going to the school, we are not touching with the teachers, we are not in touch with the teachers, even the outer atmosphere, everything is virtual. We are having our classes, but those classes are virtual classes. It means whatever I mean to say is that everything is virtual, online. So this year we will celebrate the Teachers Day virtually. When I personally feel that we should not miss the event. Here I am going to give you a few ideas how to celebrate VTDC. VTDC means Virtual Teachers Day Celebration. So here are the ideas to celebrate. Let's start with the first idea. Idea number 1, self-composed poem for your teachers and make a video of your own. So the first idea is, if you know how to write, if you have a words, then you should write down the poem for your favorite teacher. Make a video of that and post it. Now let's come to the second idea. Idea number 2, hold a placard. Placard is one placard each and make a collage either with the friends or with your brother and sister. Like one is holding a card, written on it is happy, second is holding a placard on which it is written teachers, third is holding a placard on which it is written day. During this lockdown you must have watched so many videos because during this lockdown we all were free and we have gone with this technology. So placard, that is the making the videos of this, and this is one of the picture that how I am telling you to make the placard, I love my teacher. By this way you can create a video and that can be shared out. It's very interesting. Teachers would definitely love it. And it can be done with the friends. If there is no friends with you nearby your place, then it can be done with your brother and sister. But you should enjoy this. Let's come to idea number 3. Make a card of sentence. Make a card of sentence means, like for an example, I adore my teacher. Why? I adore my teacher, then I need the reasons. Because she teaches very well. He or she has a good presentation, or he or she makes us laugh. So whatever reasons are there with you why I adore my teacher, you can make a card for that also. That will give your views about your teachers, that how do you feel about your teachers. Let's come to the idea number 4. Create e-card, email, message, thanks card. Create a thanks card to the teachers, for the teachers, or a message card on a piece of paper and take a picture with that. Take a selfie. Not required. You have other members at home. Keep the pictures with you. Show it. Thank you, teacher. And send it to the teacher. Now, idea number 5. You can make a parody of your own words and in your own voice of any popular song. Very interesting. Record it and send it. Superb. The moment you will have some songs, you will sing a song, some popular songs पे अगर आप कोई भी एक पैरोडी बनाते हैं टीचर्स के नाम लेके, it would be really a very interesting, and that will really give a good pleasure, good feel to the teachers. Very smart. This is the idea number 6. Dress up like a teacher. See, there are so many students who used to make the mimicry of the teachers. I am not telling you to make mimicry of the teachers, but on this occasion, you can wear a dress of the teacher, or like you should have a feeling of teachers, that I am a teacher. Make a video or take picture and then send it. Many ideas. It's all up to your desire, how heartily you wanted to wish to your teachers a very special Teachers' Day. Now let's come to the idea number 7. Share your classroom memories in the form of drawing or in the form of poem. If you are a good artist, if you know drawing, then it is very good idea for you. Take a piece of paper and think about the idea or the memories you wanted to share, and draw that memory onto the chart. Take a picture, send it to us, or you can write a poem along with the memories. And there are so many poems also, even there are so many ready-made poems are also there with the class memories. So let's come to the idea number 8. Make an acrostic poem. It's poem. Make an acrostic poem means take the name of your favorite teacher and explain meaning with its each letter as you feel. Like money. So M से you will having some word, O से, N से, D, Monday है तो M O N D A Y Monday. By this way you can create an acrostic poem. आपके टीचर का नाम लीजिए, नाम लेने के बाद A से क्या है, N से क्या है. By this way you can create the poem, and it would be again the interesting. So my dear students, by this way we can create or we can celebrate the Teachers' Day. Thanks a lot for listening this. Hope you will enjoy and you will definitely